Looking back. Pronunciation. 1. Listen and underline the words that have the consonant cluster sounds tr, br, and cr. Then practice reading the sentences.
1. After having the ice cream, she brushed her teeth.
2. The car crashed into a tree near the traffic lights.
3. Try this new dish created by your brother.
4. They often have brown bread for breakfast.
5. That brave young man likes travelling by train.
6. Is it true that the crime rate is increasing?